So, this is the 4th day of our trip. So, mag-uuli-uli kami. And, it's a very sunny day, guys. It's very sunny. Finally, umaraw na. Hindi na masyadong malamig. It's only like -10. So, I just love the mountain, guys. Look at the mountains. So, pupunta ulit tayo sa souvenir shop. Sobrang ganda ng background ng church. Look how much beautiful the church, guys. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng church. So, dito ang daming bars and cafe and mini stores. Sunod-sunod yan. Lahat yan hanggang dun. Hanggang dun sa baba. Hanggang dun sa kabilang side na yun. Sa Pandaron. Punong-puno yan ng cafe and bar. Dito ulit kami sa park. It's very sunny. At ganda ng weather. I've said, guys, this is the 4th day. So, malapit na magtapos yung ating adventure. I just want to walk around and have a look, sightseeing. Just really want to appreciate the nature. It's so nice, so beautiful. I just went to church and I made a wish. Sana matupad just like my other wishes. I will just appreciate the nature for today. Kasi, ano naman yun, parang once in a lifetime lang tayo makakapunta sa ganito kagandang lugar. And I really appreciate how beautiful the nature is, guys. Sobrang ganda. So, bumili ako nito sa Serpa supermarket. Masarap siya, para siyang Pringles. Kasi mura lang siya, 175 euro lang siya. Kasi yung Pringles medyo mahal. So, hey guys. So, tapos na kami kumain. And, naglalaba ako ngayon ng mga laundry namin. Kasi, malapit na kami umuwi actually. Kahit tayo ko pang umuwi. Pero kailangan. So, kailangan na natin mag-work. Kasi, kailangan natin mag-earn ng money. Tapos na ako mag-shopping and I didn't buy that much kasi wala naman ako masyadong pera, guys. Bumili lang ako ng mga souvenirs na gusto ko. At saka, kumain lang ako sa mga restaurants na gusto ko. Kinain ko lang yung mga pagkain na parang bago sa akin dito. So, yeah. So, mamaya, pasensya na kayo, hinahapo ko kasi tumaba ako dito eh. Alam mo, ilang days pa lang kami dito, parang feeling ko ang laki ng tinaba ko kasi yung kinakain namin dito is lahat parang processed and mga fast food and more on pasta. And by the way, yung pasta nila dito, yung Yung parang spaghetti nila, sobrang sarap. Yung sauce nila, ang sarap. And so tomorrow will be the last day. Actually, tomorrow is Friday. So this is the 4th day. So today is Thursday. So we have to make most of it because we still have 2 days. Kasi on Saturday, we will be going back to Italy. And then I think we are flying back to Istanbul. So we don't have much time. Pero at least, nalibot ko lahat yung town. As in from north to west, east to south. Talagang nalibot ko siya. Pinilit ko siyang libutin. I've seen a lot of things. Yung nature, sobrang ganda. Na-appreciate ko talaga. And alam mo, parang 1 in a million talaga yung experience na to. Even kahit tumingin ka lang sa bintana, you see, kahit tumingin ka lang sa bintana mo, very stunning na kagad yun makikita mo. Makikita nyo, parang umuulan siya, pero actually hindi. Kasi natutunaw na yung ice na nandun sa taas. Kasi it's sunny day, so medyo mainit siya ngayon. Pero yung ano natin, yung paligid natin, icy pa rin siya. So yeah, I'm hoping na nga pala kasi nagpunta ako doon sa church. I went there and nag-wish ako. Sana matupad yung wish ko na winish ko today. It's not just for me, it's for the whole family and everything. So yeah, I'm really hoping and wishing na sana matupad yun kasi I have a lot of hopes in my heart. So we will see about that. So anyways, mamimiss ko talaga tong lugar na to kasi it's very beautiful. It's very beautiful, guys. Ang ganda niya. And mamimiss ko rin tong bahay na to kasi ang cute-cute ng bahay na to kasi para ako nakatira sa sauna. It's very cute siya kasi nakikita nyo. Lahat yan parang yung sa sauna. And I will miss the view. Yung view ko araw-araw. The mountains, the Alps, everything mamimiss ko dito, yung pagkain. But I enjoyed it. So yeah, hindi naman ako nag-ski kasi hindi naman ako marunong mag-ski. I just roam around and watch and took a lot of pictures, and ano yun, parang in-enjoy ko lang lahat na nakikita ko dito. So I really had fun the 1 week vacation. Just look at that. Can somebody just look at that? Look how amazing the structure of this mountain. Alam mo yung parang pag pumunta ka dito, ma-appreciate mo talaga yung puno, yung bahay, yung bundok, yung weather, yung mga tao. Alam mo yung parang napakasimple nila dito, guys. As in, napakasimple nila every morning. Pumupunta sila dun sa ski. And then, they will just have fun the whole day. And, I don't know, marami silang time para sa sarili nila dito. Marami mga old people din dito na, alam mo yung parang ini-enjoy lang nila yung nature. Naglalakad-lakad lang sila. Yes, hanggang dito na lang muna, guys, ang ating vlog for today. Thank you so much and let's appreciate the nature for today. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.